Hello friend, welcome back. Before we start to build our e-commerce project, as I told you before, our e-commerce project strategy. So I want to recap it again. As I told you friend, every project that will be as a two part. One is the client part, another is the admin part, right? That means the server part. So in our server part, that means our admin dashboard. Into this admin dashboard area, that will be all that our admin features I will include it in our admin dashboard area, and from to the admin dashboard I will create all that APIs for our client application. That means for our front end, okay? And also in our backend, for our server side language, I will use that Laravel and also the React scaffold. So friend, I have already discussed about little bit the React.js fundamental and then the Laravel fundamental, right? So now that will be needed. So that is our admin dashboard, and also for the user web application, that means for the client application, that will be totally pure React client application. So for our front end, we'll use that React.js, and then we'll consume all our admin APIs. So from to the admin, we'll create that APIs, and in our front end, we'll consume all that admin APIs. And then that will be another option for the user features and the PWA features, right? So I have already discussed about that PWA. So that is the progressive web application that is very much interactive nowadays. That is a modern technology. So with this modern technology, when we'll develop one complete web application, that means we'll develop one of the e-commerce web application, and then with using that PWA features, we will actually deliver our this web project to the Android app. So we will create one Android app, and also we'll create another iOS app. So that will be actually 3 projects. So friend, we can actually develop this type of one of the interactive project with using that PWA features. Okay, so that will be very interactive one of the things. So that will be one of the admin dashboard, and that is our client web application. That will be our web version, and also we'll develop another Android app, and also we'll develop the iOS app. So friend, I hope you are very excited to start this course. If you are ready, then let's get started.